Alright, so now this new tripod is holding this camera. So basically, two tripods can hold this type of camera. Hold on, I'm gonna close the door. Alright, so my mom got... So I'm gonna show you this full body of it. So, if you can see it, this is a brand new tripod that my mom got. But she said she's gonna use it when she needs it. I'll just... Oh, hello there. I always do this when I'm far from the camera. Okay, now, I guess it's time to do random stuff with this. I was recording this with... Okay, whatever. I was recording this camera on this new tripod for the first time. Well, on this new tripod the first time, and it fell down, and that video got lost, so I'm doing another video of this. This is a part 3. I always do a bunch of random shit in this. Oh, hello there. You know, this camera works on the small tripod and this big tripod. The two of them work with my phone too. And, I think the small tripod only works on a webcam. I don't know if it's gonna work on this big tripod. I don't know if this big tripod gonna work on this webcam or not. So, yeah. Oh. I don't know what else to do here. Okay, I'm done here.